You're here because you want to level up your garage, and trust me, you're in the right place. Here's an example. A customer uploaded a photo of his garage and picked this design. We mocked it up, sent him a detailed quote, and today, he's loving his new garage. Let's make this your reality too. First, click Start Designing Now, or scroll down. You'll be guided through 4 simple steps. Step 1, choose from our most popular garage flooring options. Once you've picked your material, click Next. Step 2, measurements. Enter your garage dimensions for an exact fit. You will get detailed breakdown of the amount of tiles you will need. Click Next. Step 3. This is where the fun begins. First, select your base color. This fills your entire garage floor in one click, giving you a clean starting point to work from. The options available depend on the material you chose. For example, quick diamond tiles come in 9 colors, and coin dot tiles come in 6 colors. Next, choose your pattern color. This second color is what you'll use to add accents or designs over the base. Now you have 2 ways to apply that pattern color. With paint mode, you can click or drag tile by tile to build your own design. You can paint on multiple colors. Or, if you'd like something quick and professional looking, try our quick patterns. We've pre-designed 12 of the most popular layouts. Just click on one and watch your entire floor transform instantly. As you design, the live breakdown updates in real time. You'll always know exactly how many tiles you'll need and the percentage of each color being used. So you can use as many colors as you like, just like the demonstration here. We have a gray base with a red border and a black inner border. I am happy with this design now, so I'm going to click through to request my quote. Once your design is complete, you'll see a clear summary showing the exact tile counts, square meters, and color breakdown of your floor. Next, upload a photo of your garage. For the best results, make sure the space is as empty as possible so we can create an accurate mock-up. Our team will then build a professional visual of your exact garage design and prepare a detailed quote. This includes all costs, including transport if required. If you're in Sydney, you might choose to pick up directly from our warehouse. If you're in another city or a regional area, you can request delivery. Just provide us with a few details about your property type so we can give you an accurate transport quote. Once you've submitted everything, our team will be in touch within 24 hours. Fill in your quote details, including your name, email, phone, and any additional details that you want us to include in the quote or questions you may have. In this example, the customer wants to make this a do-it-yourself job, so he is requesting a tile cutter to be included in the quote. And that's it. 4 simple steps to transform your garage from ordinary to amazing. So go ahead, click Start Designing Now, and let's bring your garage to life.